Welcome to the Emotional Intelligence course. Emotional intelligence is defined as a set of competencies demonstrating the ability one has to recognize his or her behaviors, moods, and impulses, and to manage them best according to the situation. This course will give you the tools you need to be emotionally intelligent in your workplace. An employee with high emotional intelligence can manage his or her own impulses, communicate with others effectively, manage change well, solve problems, and use humour to build rapport in tense situations. These employees also have empathy, remain optimistic even in the face of adversity, and are gifted at educating and persuading in a sales situation, and resolving customer complaints in a customer service role.
Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. This course is designed to help you in the following ways. Define and practice self-management, self-awareness, self-regulation, self-motivation, and empathy. Understand, use, and manage your emotions. Verbally communicate with others. Successfully communicate with others in a non-verbal manner. Identify the benefits of emotional intelligence. Relate emotional intelligence to the workplace. Balance optimism and pessimism. And effectively impact others.